Flack math! Give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Flack math!
All right, lesson, what?
Drink some water, Ben.
Yeah, drink some water, okay.
You too, Jace.
Lesson 32, we're gonna talk about variables.
Jace can die of thirstiness.
Oh, Jace. Don't forget to eat, though, Jace. Don't eat, Ben, though.
Don't eat, Ben.
Okay.
You'll do okay.
What does it mean when I say something is doable?
That means you're able to do it.
You're able to do it.
It's a possible.
So what does it mean if I say something is a variable?
Very doable.
What is, yeah, you
Very
guys know.
doable.
What's variable? It's
Very able to do it.
Able to, not vary as in I love you very much. V-A-R-Y. What does that mean? Vary.
Different.
It changes.
Changes, yeah.
So variable means it's able to change, right?
Shut up.
It's not a constant. It changes, okay? That's what a variable is. So if I say x plus 4, that could be like a number plus 4, right? Well, this is going to change based on what x is. Okay, so if you pick, you can pick whatever you want for x. Yeah, are you okay, dude? What'd you have for lunch?
He's gonna die, bro.
I don't have one.
Okay, so a variable means you can pick whatever you want for x. Okay? So, and it depends on what you do. So the value of expression depends on the value of x. This value of the expression depends on what we pick for x. So on the value of x. So for example, if x equals 5, then x plus 4 equals 9, right? So if x equals 5, then x plus 4 is 5 plus 4, which is 9, right? Okay. So this is called, this is what I call plugging and chugging, okay? So you're gonna plug in values for your variables, and now they're no longer variables. Because if x equals 5, then x will not change anymore. Now it's 5.
They're not very doable anymore.
So what do you call something that never changes?
Unchangeable.
Starts with the C.
Unchangeable. A carrot.
It's not a carrot.
A consistent number.
Oh, that's a good word, but I think it might come from the same word. Consistent. It's constant. Okay? So you're changing a variable into a constant when you plug something in for that variable.
Unchangeable.
Okay? So what does this mean when you have a number right next to a letter?
That means multiplication.
Right, this is 3 times a number. So if x equals 7, then what's 3x?
21. Very unchangeable.
Okay? All right, are you still talking about that? And you still think it's funny too. That's the amazing part. That you're still laughing at something that was never funny in the first place.
Constant lives matter.
Okay. So we don't know what xy plus x is until we know what?
Until we solve for x and y.
Not solve for x and y, but until we're given a value for x and a value for y, we cannot determine what xy plus x is.
Yep.
So I'm going to give you the value of each.
Okay.
x equals 2, y equals 4. Now, tell me what the value of x, y plus x is.
10.
Okay, how'd you get that?
You multiply x and y together, then you add x.
That is very doable.
Right.
And it's unchangeable.
So that's a multiplication. There it is again. And Austin is still laughing. Okay, so 2 times 4, you do that multiplication first, right? So you get 8 plus 2, which is 10. That's not bad, right?
Nope, not bad at all, Coach.
Okay, let's try something else. X, M, Y minus XY.
Why?
Ready?
What do they equal?
X equals 2, good question. X equals 2, M equals 5, and Y equals 4.
Wait, so is it x times m times y?
Yep, when they're all next to each other like that, that means a multiplication.
32.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm just gonna go along with Nathan on this.
You're just gonna go along with the crowd, everyone else is doing it?
Yeah.
He and Austin know our math.
Yes, sir.
Oh, unlike me.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Got it.
does this feel all right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give you one more and it's for a free problem set.
No way.
So let's finish this first, guys. XMY, that means 2 times 5 times 4 minus
Equals 40.
XY, which is just 2 times 5, right?
No, 2 times 4, Mr. Flack.
Y is, yeah, 4.
That's free problems.
Free problem set.
I guess technically it would be, wouldn't it?
Very doable.
So what do we do first?
We do all the
You
multiplication.
Yeah, multiply that, multiply that. What's 2 times 5? 10
10,
times 4,
40.
40
Minus 8.
minus 2 times 4 is 8. What's 40 minus 8?
32.
32. Does that make sense?
Yes, Coach.
Okay, here's my free problem set problem. Ready? You're gonna love this.
Oh, oh no.
No.
That
Oh no.
freaking out.
Oh no.
I'm so pumped.
mx plus 4m. Okay?
What is the little thing on the left?
That's example.
What do they equal?
Okay, now you need to know what m is and what x
4
is,
times
right?
m.
That just says 4m. You're the one who has to decide whether it's 4 times m. You ready? Are you sure you're ready? I don't know if you're ready. So x, let's see, what do you want first? M or x?
M.
M is 9/11ths.
Oh no.
And
Oh,
x
no.
is
No.
2/3.
Okay, we can do this.
First one to get it, free problem set. Bleep, 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 bleep.
Wait, can you move? Oh no.
Sorry.
I got it.
What'd you get?
26.
Nope.
Is that right? I think I got an answer.
What'd you get?
Hold on, let me look over it.
You can look it over, but if someone gets it before you do.
Yep, I got it.
What'd you get?
52 over 44.
Nope. Nathan?
42 over 11.
Yep.
Let's go.
Dang it.
All right, good job, Nathan. Now, let's see what he
You
did.
got it.
So, what'd you do first? Emerson, what'd you do first?
I did the multiplication.
Okay, so you plugged in 9/11ths for m.
Yeah.
So you got 9/11ths times x, which is 2/3, right?
Yeah.
Plus 4 times 9/11ths. What happens when you multiply 4 times 9/11ths?
4 over 1.
Yeah, it's 4/1. Okay, so now you have a fraction multiplication problem. You do multiplication first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you multiply these two?
Cross reduce both.
Cross reduce 3 and 9, that's fine. To 1 and 3. And what'd you get for this first one?
I got 3, no.
You got 6 11.
Yeah.
6 elevenths. Okay, plus what happens when you multiply this across? What do you get?
What?
It was.
Anything cross reduce?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Nope. So
30.
multiply
I got
across.
36 over 11.
Yeah.
So now they both have the same denominator. That's nice, right? So just add them together. 6 plus 36 is 42 elevenths. Or 3 and 9 elevenths is fine.
Yeah, you got to take 2 seconds.
Both of those answers are right.
Great job, Nathan. You're smarter than me. Can I watch you back?
Okay? Good job, guys. That's it.
Flack!